Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video I'm gonna be making this amazing Thanksgiving turkey dinner with homemade stuffing. Now guys, remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now guys, let's cook. Okay guys, so here I have my turkey breast, and this is 2 pounds of turkey breast. It looks beautiful, yes I know. Anyways guys, I'm gonna be adding some oil, and this is just to give it moisture, you know, when it's baking in the oven. I don't want it to dry out or anything, so I'm just adding that. Now to season it, I'm using Maggi Chicken Seasoning. I know it's turkey and I'm using chicken season, but you know, whatever, it's the same thing. Now I'm also using parsley flakes. I'll also be using garlic powder, and I'm gonna gently rub all that seasoning, just ensuring that it is well seasoned guys. And you guys can go ahead and marinate this overnight, or you know, a couple hours before you start baking it. Now guys, for each pound of turkey, I think it's gonna take about 18 to 20 minutes at a temperature at 350 degrees, I think. But just use a thermometer and ensure the temperature reaches 165 degrees, just to be on the safe side. Okay, so I'm using 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika just to give it a little kick. But guys, I will be sure to list all the ingredients down in the description below. Now I'm gonna wrap it with foil and bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. Because remember, each pound of turkey is about 18 to 20 minutes in the oven. Okay, okay guys, we're gonna move over to our stuffing. Now for the stuffing, I'm using this French bread, and this is fresh and it's straight from the oven. I'm kidding. But anyways, what I realize is a lot of people, like, they either bake their bread or they'll use stale bread, because I think it tends to hold up better in the oven. But for me, I like when my stuffing is a bit mushy, if that makes sense. But to each their own. If you guys want to bake your bread, you can go ahead and bake it, or you just use stale bread if you want your bread to, you know, hold up rather than mushy. But as I've mentioned before, I like when mine is mushy, you know. I just like when it's mushy, you know, it's super moist, you know. Yeah, it's so good. But anyways guys, you can go ahead and cut that, or you can even break it apart with your hands. Okay, now for the veggies for our stuffing, I'm using red onion, celery, carrot, and some parsley. Now I'm gonna be fine dicing this onion, well, practically all the veggies, and I'm gonna be chopping the parsley. Is that parsley or cilantro? I can never tell them apart, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm just dicing that. I'm not that good with knife guys, but you know, just be careful when handling that knife. Now I'm gonna just pull the leaves from the stem of the parsley or cilantro. I think it's parsley. From the parsley, and I'm gonna just chop that up. Oh my goodness. Am I the only one that loves parsley? Oh my goodness. I love it so much. I could eat it as a salad. Literally. I love it. I love the smell of it. I love the taste of it. I love the aroma. Well, aroma and smell, like, same. But I just love it, guys. Now I'm just chopping that up and adding that to my veggies. Now I'm gonna be sauteing these. Now in a skillet on medium heat, I'm adding corn oil. Now I'm gonna leave that to heat for about a minute. Then we're gonna be adding our veggies and we're gonna cook that until they are tender. Okay, now after 6 minutes, I'm gonna be adding the breads and I'm gonna be tossing that with the veggies. Just combining everything. Now guys, I'm gonna be adding the chicken broth. And this was about a cup of chicken broth. I didn't use all of it, guys, just about a cup of it. Or maybe a cup and a quarter. But I will be sure to list all the ingredients in the description below, y'all. So just combine all that together. I'll also be adding 2 whole eggs. And this is just gonna give it the moisture that I'm looking for in my stuffing. I mean, it's super moist, you know. It's just, I don't understand why people like their stuffing to be dry. Like, it's just so moist and it's just so good. I mean, it's not overly wet, you know, it's just moist. And guys, to saute the veggies, if you guys want to go ahead and add butter just to give it flavor, I guess you guys can do that instead of the oil. And there you have it, guys. I'm just gonna transfer this into a baking dish. And this smells so good, guys. Just so good. It smells amazing. I'm not lying though. It smells great. It smells so good. No lie. And guys, I'm gonna be baking this for about 35 minutes. And there you have it. So beautiful. There you have it, guys. Now after 40 minutes, our breast is finally done and it's actually shrunk. Like, look how it is, guys. And this is the final dish, guys. I went ahead and I paired that with some coconut mashed potato, steamed broccoli and carrot, and I also made some gravy, you guys can use an instant gravy, or you can use a chicken broth and thicken it with cornstarch. But I do hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you do, guys. Like, comment, most importantly subscribe and share, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.